Louder. Louder. Come on, shout.
Hi, my name is Arya Porwa and my mom made it tents and my tent and this is my toys.
Wow, what's the name? Can you name all your toys? Let's see your toys. Oh, let's go inside. Come on, you also sit inside. Wow. See how many teddies my Arya is having. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Arya, which is this? This is baby doll. This one. And you are a sweet baby doll. One more baby doll. Right, Arya? She's so cute. And see her tent. I will show you from outside. Oh, see her tent. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. Who made it, Mama? Your Mama is so talented, yeah? Your Mama is so talented.
He loves my dad. You know, my dad loves my mom.
Your dad? What? Come again?
What?
Come
And
again?
My dad loves my mom and you know and my mom also cook very good food for us.
Wow. And Papa? I know Papa is also cooking.
Yeah.
So one thing you really mentioned good. So that dad loves mom.
Yeah.
And you? You love your mom?
I love both of them.
Yes, they are so amazing. So come on, let's introduce me your some babies. Some what is this? See, Arya is so happy. Arya really loves me. That's why. Arya, you love me?
Yeah.
How much? First say how much you love me.
This one.
Seriously, are you telling?
Yes.
Oh my baby, I love you too.
This is a llama. This is
What's the name?
baby. What?
What?
Llama.
Llama. Okay, llama.
And this is the baby. Two babies. This is Anna and this is Lily Purva.
Lily Purva. And this one?
And this is a panda. This is
Wow, I really love your panda, you know. This is so beautiful. Okay, so you have a mic
yeah.
and my Arya is gonna sing for us. Okay, Arya is gonna sing for us. Come on, Arya.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
See, I got so many things.
Okay, come on. Show me. Wow. Wow.
My birthday, I got this.
Perfect. So nice. I love it. And this is Arya ka basket, you could say. All the storage here. Correct, Arya?
What?
This is your basket.
And I'm going to show you what's inside.
Yeah, please.
Very amazing. Shall I show you how much toys?
Sure.
Oh my, how can I take all this now? Ooh.
Woo! Wow, Arya has so many toys.
And can I show you what's inside here?
Sure.
See, and these
Wow.
toys-
Again, this is a storage box. See, you can see Arya's ka storage.
Yeah.
And she has so many.
And these are squishy toys actually.
Yeah.
And
Who bought all these things?
mom and dad.
And when you collected, see so many guys, can you see so many stuff she is having in her bucket, in the basket, and she loves playing it. And the best thing is she keeps the house so clean. Correct, Arya?
Yes, look.
Oh wow, so many options. See?
My mom and dad gave me all of these toys.
Wow, they are so fantastic because you are so sweet. That's why they love you so much. And Arya is so nice. She always keeps the house clean. As you see, the house is pretty clean. Arya is really taking good care of the house. So,
See, even it is very expensive. They gave me.
oh, wow, they love you. That means really they love you. And you're so adorable. And I can see some more toys here. Whose toys are these?
My
What's their name?
Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Wow. Every day you cuddle them. Oh, I miss him. Even I want to do that. So like this you play every day.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
And
Can I see who's there on the?
these are funny photos actually.
Who made this? These are really funny, man.
My dad.
Ah.
When he go to office. I want to show more things.
More things you have?
Yeah. Okay. Now you show. Look, so many I got.
Oh, you have so many candies. Can I borrow some? No? How come you have so many candies? Yeah, I am jealous. I want it.
Can I tell you something? And my mother gave me.
Really?
Yeah, really. And these are plants. We got more
And these
plants.
I can see shisha also.
Yeah.
Shisha. Who is drinking? Who is smoking? I like this. This one is so pretty.
My mom bought it for me.
Yeah, keep it safe. Keep it safe.
You know,
All
there
right.
was also like this, a cap. Then I was going to get it. I'm going to put it here. Then I was glass. The cap was glass. Then it break.
Can we see outside? What is it?
Okay. Very cool outside.
Oh, it's only window.
Can't
We
see.
can see ourselves. Come.
Yeah,
So, Arya tent is so beautiful, guys. If you want to make like this tent, if you want to make Arya, can you tell everyone if they want like this tent? So please contact Arya, and she will prepare for them. Say.
Does everyone want this tent? My mom made it. See?
So if anyone is interested, please contact Arya. And as she is saying, if anyone is interested, please contact.
If anyone is interested, if she's interested, just contact and Arya will prepare it.
Wow, Arya will prepare it, my baby. Arya will prepare it. So isn't it beautiful, guys? I love the tent. I love the lighting. I love the color on it. Beautiful.
See, and all of these you see the
Yes, and it's such a beautiful color. I would love it.
and my mom made it.
Yeah, and you see, you have a nice carpet to get in. Then you have this nice mattress with all the teddies, and it's so cozy and comfortable. You can sleep here. Arya can easily sleep here. So if anyone is interested, please tell us. So Arya will prepare for them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you speech.
Thank you for everyone for watching our videos. And please subscribe
Jagat.
Jagat Kumar's view.
Because I love him, auntie.
Because I love Hema Auntie.
Thank you, my baby, sweetie. So, this is my Arya, my cute little baby.
Hi.
Hi. She loves me so much. So, that's why she had told everyone to please subscribe our channel. So, please subscribe our channel. Say Arya one more time.
What?
Please subscribe Auntie's channel.
Please subscribe Auntie's channel
Because
because I love Hema Auntie.
because she loves him, auntie, and I love you, Arya.